Hello, salespersons of all makes, models, and brands. My name is Chance, and thank you so much for tuning into step 7 of our sales process over here at the Sales Bible. Today we're going to be taking a look at the art of passing the deal. This particular step should take between 5 to 10 minutes if done correctly. Ultimately, there is the potential for it to go even longer depending on how many passes you have to do. My general rule of thumb is I don't do more than 3 passes. If I do the third path and it's still not being close to being closed, then I'll get the manager involved and get him to try and close it. Because at that point, it's not going anywhere. At least in my experience, I find that to be the case. Now let's take a look at the process here. After getting an offer from the customer, you return to your manager and relay the information. The manager will then edit the deal to the best of their ability, knowledge, and intuition. You will then go back and re-present the numbers to the customer and then ask for the business once again. At this point, one of two things will happen. Usually, if you've done your job correctly, they'll say something to the effect of, I like the price and I'd like to move forward, or something to that effect. If they go that route, all you need to say is, fantastic, I'll prepare the necessary documents right away. May take your credit card and then you run back to your manager. He'll print off the offer to purchase and get you to sign whatever needs to be signed. I'll get into that a little bit more in the next video. However, if they are unhappy with the price still, you get a better offer than last time. You're going to have to bump the customer. Ultimately, it is your job to negotiate with the customer and not your manager. So there's a couple tips that I have for that. Ultimately, they are worth an additional video altogether, but I'll get to work on that right away for all of you guys, and I'll include it in the playlists. Now, let's go on to some tips for this particular step. Very similarly to the first pencil video, the tips are going to be quite the same. So make sure they're comfortable, make sure they have something to drink, make sure life's good. Also, make sure you're moving quick. Time kills deals, hustle saves them, so always be hustling. Also, stay quiet after you present the numbers. Let the customer make the next move. And the fourth tip and most important tip, be aware that every time you go back to your manager, you are making less money. As soon as you accept that, you will not want to go back to your manager. You will want to sell the customer that much more badly, because there's nothing worse than spending a full day with this person only to not make a single dime off of them. Not only does it suck for you, but it looks very poor on your averages, so just bear that in mind. That being said, if you have any tips, word tricks, or ideas that will help out with passing the deal, please put it down in the comment section beneath. I really appreciate it, and I know everyone else does as well. I hope you all have a great day, and as always, happy selling, everyone.